So candlesticks are beautiful things where they can tell us a lot by the real body and the upper and lower shadow, what might be happening with prices in that day and what might be happening in a series of prices. So by themselves, they tell us quite a bit, but they can tell us even more when they're part of a pattern, right? We looked at like shaven tops and shaven bottoms and different things, and we said, well, you got to look at the preceding trends. Was there an uptrend or a downtrend? But there's also patterns of candlesticks where if you see certain things happening in terms of a pattern, that can be a very, very helpful indicator itself too, and you can trade off of those patterns. Now, two candlestick patterns might have different meanings depending on where they fall in a series themselves. So not only the individual price bars, but the candlestick pattern in part of a larger series of uptrend or downtrend, and we're going to learn all about that. And I tell you, people really like to focus on candlesticks themselves and trade just on candlestick patterns. As you learn the patterns, they can be pretty easy to trade off of. You can kind of understand them easily. They work well as far as working with another indicator, like a moving average or other types of indicators that you will learn in the course. They can kind of pair well together that way. So let's start looking at some of the real common, candlestick patterns that you want to be watching for, and when you see them, there's certain actions you can take to help you be even more profitable in your trades.